the scrutiny, I will check the vehicle's light, headlight, bumper light, upper light, indicators, hazard light, tail light, top light, all safety precautions I will be following. This is a TSD rally, so that the equipment is laptop, altimeter, GPS is not allowed in this run.
All the good navigators are taking part, so it's going to be a tough challenge.
This event timing is not a driving skill. The event is all depend upon the navigator.
It's a very good route, so it's going to be quite enjoyable.
It's starting from Nasik, it's going to Aurangabad, from there it's going to Kolhapur and then Goa. 3 days to go, we are hoping to win. It all depends on my co-driver.
Great Escape, in the last 12 years or so, we have done 68 of them. And you will be happy to know that this year, we are planning to do 30 events in 1 year. And as we scale up further, I'm sure this event will become one of the largest events, TSD event in the world that we want it to become in few years.
We are very happy to organize events for Mahindra & Mahindra, and this is going to be a 3-day event. At this moment, I can say is the largest prize money event in the country. I guarantee you, the drivers, the professionals, amateurs, will be very happy to see scenic area in and around Nasik. Normal routine terrain to go to Aurangabad is 200 kilometers, but you'll do at least 450 kilometers tomorrow.
After all that has been said and the grand plans that Mahindra and the team have got in place to promote various sports rallying in this country, it's really a pleasure to be associated with Mahindra. They have always been a strategic partner for us. I'm really happy the way they're taking it to various parts of the country, giving it that very Indian touch of be it spice or monsoons or desert or whatever it is. I'm sure I wish you all the very best in this, and we would like to be a part of this always.
Vijay, a quick question. Will Mahindra Adventure open up the competitive events to people who own vehicles other than Mahindra vehicles going forward? Is that in the plan somewhere?
Will we open our events to multiple brands? For the time being, the rallies and events that we organize are single-make events, and we have a plan ahead for the single-make events to begin with. And the success of the Polo Cup, for example, shows that there is a future in that way of doing things also. But to answer your question specifically, we have a plan to have an international motorsport event where off-roading will be the key and not exactly outright speed. We'll go that route when it comes to multiple brands.
Mahindra has its largest plant in Nasik. So Nasik is our city, and we belong to Nasik, and that is why we are starting this rally from Nasik. So what we want to promote through this rally is, of course, our brand, which stands for rugged and toughness and safe vehicles, and we want to promote safe driving. Thank you for coming, and have a great TSD challenge for all of you. Thank you.
My first TSD rally, and I'm looking forward to having a lot of fun over the next 3 days.
This rally promises to be one of the biggest rallies, so I'm really looking forward to it, and I'm just here to have fun.
This is the first time I've been participating in a Mahindra car rally, and I'm expecting a lot of adventure, some fun stuff as well.
Very excited to party.
Feeling excited.
Go Goa! It's a great fun. Nice to have such a great adventure.
Amazing experience and lots of money. Very excited. This is our first time. Have fun and complete the event.
I'm chilled out.
Trust me.
Monsoons are right here. We have got good lineup of Mahindra cars. So obviously I'm looking forward to a lot of rugged terrain, roughness, off-roading, obviously wet roads and slush and all.
I am taking the part in this rally for the fun of having fun of the monsoon.
It's been a fantastic rally since the morning. Enjoying fantastic views, amazing breathtaking sceneries.
Good job by making 250-kilometer track to 450 kilometers. They have done.
So we are going round and round now, and we don't know where are we on this earth, but surely we reach someplace.
अब तक का जो जर्नी था बहुत ही अच्छा था. महिंद्रा, थैंक्स टू महिंद्रा कि हमें ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस चलाने में मिला. टारमैक था, टेरेन था और ऑफ रोड में हमें बहुत ही मज़ा आया.
Last month I participated in the Mughal Rally. I got the overall position of first. So I'm waiting for the results and doing the event against results. I'm also thankful for the Mahindra for doing this event.
We have travelled yesterday from Goa to here, and it was full amazing, awesome climate with full blast rain. So we hope that continues and we have an exciting round of competition.
This is the first time we have been participating into this rally, but yeah, we're expecting the best.
Today we don't know what exactly are the times what we are clocking, so we don't know where we are standing right now. We'll expect some good competition today in the day's time. Today was just a free run of 139 kilometers from the morning.
Actually, the rally will start right now. Today's distance is 650 kilometers, so it's going to be a long day.
Well, day one was quite tough with a lot of off-road sections. Day two was a surprise to us.
The route was very exciting, and in some places they took us off route. बहुत अच्छा मजा आ रहा है. पूरा एटमॉस्फेयर भी अच्छा है.
Fantastic till now. The journey has been really great.
Till now it's been a fast ride. Looking forward to more off-roading patches.
रैली इवेंट जो किया है इन्होंने, बहुत इतना ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस में आज तक कोई ये रैली किया नहीं है, लेकिन महिंद्रा वाले लोग ने जो रैली किया है बहुत अच्छा रैली हुआ है।
The way you drive and the way you expect unexpected things, you can't always predict कि ये time control यहाँ पे आने वाला।
The full experience of the rally was very good.
I expect more showers at least, given that it's monsoon challenge.
Let's see, we have finished half the rally and what's ahead for the next half of the rally.
A nice ending by the beach in Goa would be nice.
Let's see what time we'll be reaching Kolhapur now.
The route till the lunch point has been high race. Of course, we climbed the Mahabaleshwar Ghats and it's been a good experience. Greenery all around, slight rains. So till now it's been a fast ride.
The rally is good, go on, but the speed and time shot is so bad, so we are waiting for the results.
Rally was really nice. It was a good experience being our first time in the rally, and when we started we were really anticipated from the time we left our hometown, which was Goa. So we drove from Goa all the way to Nasik, and then our rally started, but it was very challenging. Of course, we had to keep up to our speed, we had to keep up to our endurance, we had to keep up to our road presence, everything.
Rally has been one crazy experience. The beautiful roads, it was really scenic throughout. They've chosen the best routes possible, the routes which we would have never gone to probably if we were not a part of this.
On the whole, it was really nice, and we look forward to doing many more such events.
It's been a blast. It's a one-off thing, first of its kind. Got lost a couple of times. Lost time and lost positions. You must have had one hell of a time doing a reconnaissance of this.
Almost at the finish point of the rally, the last section is remaining and it's totally been rocking.
Now I've got a hang of the calculations, how to calculate the speed, the time required according to the section.
The route is really fantastic, the weather, everything.
Heading back to Goa being our hometown, so we are waiting to enter our state and end off the rally on a nice note.
2011. You are here at the culmination of one of the biggest TSD rallies in India with the biggest prize award, a total of 13 lakhs.
Mahindra's initiative in adventure sports is because our vehicles do represent the spirit of adventure, which have been there right from the beginning days, whether it be the Commanders, whether the Scorpios, or whether the Boleros. So these are vehicles have challenge, and these are rough and tough vehicles. So the spirit of adventure, the spirit of outdoor activity which we want to encapsulate in our way of tradition, and that's this monsoon rally is the first initiative in this kind, and I think we'll go with this again and again. There'll be more rallies in the circuit.
It's the first time that we're doing this rally, and next time we'll have a meeting the next day. We'll take care of all of you for 24 hours more, do all the calculations properly, come up with the proper results.
Today we'd like to present the awards and the entire prize money of a total of 13 lakhs to the winners that we're gonna mention right now. Our first award is the Mahindra SUV in Action Award. An award for the best photograph taken by the participant. The winner is Gaadi.com. The next award is for the Apollo Tires in Action. It goes to Carvale.com. And the winner of the Apollo Hawks Endurance Award is Team Agra. The Apollo Woman Driver Award goes to Miss Sampada Ragnekar. Mahindra's youngest Monsoon Challenger 2011. The prize goes to Rishabh Kavrekar. The Mahindra Oldest Monsoon Challenger Award goes to Mr. Pradeep Maskar. Best in Media category, and the winner